Good morning, good afternoon, and of course, good evening, traders, and welcome to my 2,947th edition of Short-Term Trading Live with Oscar. Good evening, traders. It's Sunday evening. It's Sunday afternoon. Markets haven't opened yet, but get ready. What do we have for trading on 7/28? That's the 28th day of the 7th month of this year. We still have, plenty of time to go all the way up to 75.12, and I promise you we're going to get there. So, we are looking at July 28th. This is Sunday, Monday. This is for trading on July 28th. Please remember the risks involved in trading. Risky, 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 risky. Never trade without protective stops and put them in first. This is your OMNI S&P daily bar chart. We've got a green Omni. Buy the dips for trading on Monday, and believe me, we will do that if we can get a fill. Look at how great this S&P chart looks. Just running up the support. Nicely done. Green Omni. That Trump got it all wrong rally is still going wrong for the people who read the charts upside down. Looks like it's going right to me. That's one look at your OMNI S&P. Take a look at this chart as well. Look at this OMNI S&P on the weekly now. This is really beautiful, this chart right here. And it is starting to run away. It depicts everything that happened since we hit 62.78.75, the high of the S&P before the tariffs. Then it shows the tariff drop. Boom, we got to 48.77.5. Rallied out of that with a V-bottom formation. It dropped 1,401 points. From the high here, well, so far it's rallied 1,553 points. And 1,081 more points to go. We will hit my 75.12 target, kids. It remains valid. Doesn't look like much could stop us from getting there this year. So far, so good. Now, something else I wanted to show you. I don't know if anyone's looking at this, but take a look at this stock, kids. Look at Cadence Design. Keep your eyes on this puppy. This chart is for you. Keep your eyes on this puppy. Cadence Design looks great. CDNS. If you're using Metastock, it's CDNS. Let me make that perfect for you. Using Metastock, it would be CDNS letter O. CDNS.O on Metastock. So check out Cadence. You know my knock-knock trick? Many of you know me for many years, and I show you markets with the knock-knock, and eventually you're going to blow through. Well, just look at all the knocking. Knock. Down we go. Knock. This whole area where these three lines are. Down we go. Knock. 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 Goodbye. We went through. The door has opened. Rock and roll for Cadence. Away Cadence should go. Nothing goes straight up. Keep your eyes on Cadence. It looks fantastic. If we could get a decent fill, we would look to buy any pullback in Cadence. Great looking stock. Love the fact that it's gotten through that knock-knock area. The door is now open. Cadence looks great. You've seen the S&P. That looks great. NASDAQ looks great. I like these markets for trading on Sunday night through Monday. Let's see what we get. Of course, our stops always go in first. Speaking of which, make sure you join me at livewithoscar.com. I'm always there. I'm there to help you. No credit cards are required. That's livewithoscar.com. And then, remember, stops are in. Emotions are out. Rock and roll traders, livewithoscar.com. Come find me there. Have a great week trading. This is Fed Week. Be careful. More videos will come at you to prepare you. Have a great day.